Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Wealth Academy. Are you dreaming of financial freedom? Maybe you want to ditch the 9-to-5 grind, travel the world, or just have a little extra cash in your pocket. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into 10 legitimate ways you can start making money online, some of which can even become amazing sources of passive income. The internet has opened up a world of opportunity, and I'm here to show you how to grab your slice of the pie. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's unlock your earning potential together. First up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to start because you don't need your own product. Essentially, you promote other people's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Think about products you already use and love. Could you recommend them to others? You can start a blog, a YouTube channel like this one, or even just use your social media accounts to share your links. The key is to build trust with your audience, don't just spam links. Provide genuine value and honest reviews. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareSale have massive affiliate programs you can join today. It takes time to build an audience, but once you do, those links can generate income for you 24/7. That's the beauty of passive income. Next on our list is starting a YouTube channel. Yes, just like this one. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular area, whether it's cooking, gaming, fitness, finance, or even woodworking, you can create content that people want to watch. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through the YouTube Partner Program, which places ads on your videos, but that's just the beginning. You can also make money through sponsorships, selling your own merchandise, and, of course, affiliate marketing, which we just discussed. The startup cost is incredibly low. You can begin with just your smartphone. The most important thing is consistency and creating content that provides value or entertainment. Find your niche, be authentic, and engage with your community. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but the rewards can be life-changing. Our third method is to start a blog. You might think blogging is old school, but it is still an incredibly powerful tool for making money online. Your blog is your own piece of digital real estate. You can write about anything you're passionate about. Once you start getting traffic, you can monetize your blog in several ways: display ads through services like Google AdSense or Mediavine, affiliate marketing, selling your own digital products like books or courses, or even offering consulting services. The key to a successful blog is high-quality content that solves a problem or answers a question for your readers. Focus on search engine optimization, or SEO, to help people find your blog through Google. It takes time to build authority and traffic, but a successful blog can become a serious money-making machine. Number 4 is creating and selling an online course. Do you have a skill that others want to learn? Maybe you're a pro at graphic design, a guitar virtuoso, or a coding wizard. You can package your knowledge into an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Or you can host it on your own website for a bigger profit margin. People are always looking to learn new skills, and they're willing to pay for high-quality, structured information. You create the course once, the videos, the worksheets, the tutorials, and you can sell it over and over again. This is one of the ultimate forms of passive income. It's work upfront, but the long-term payoff can be absolutely massive. So, what skill could you teach the world? Let's move on to number 5, dropshipping. This is an e-commerce model where you can sell physical products without ever having to hold any inventory yourself. Here's how it works. You set up an online store using a platform like Shopify. A customer buys a product from your store. You then purchase that product from a third-party supplier, like AliExpress, and they ship it directly to the customer. Your profit is the difference between what the customer paid you and what you pay the supplier. You don't have to worry about packaging, shipping, or storing inventory. Your main job is marketing and customer service. It's a low-risk way to get into the world of e-commerce and can be incredibly profitable if you find the right products and master digital advertising. Method number 6 is freelancing. This is perhaps the quickest way to start making money online. If you have a marketable skill like writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, or social media management, you can offer your services to clients around the world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Calm make it easy to find clients who need your help. You trade your time and skills for money. While it's not passive income, it's a fantastic way to build a steady income stream from the comfort of your home. You set your own hours and your own rates. As you build your portfolio and get good reviews, you can start charging more and be more selective with the projects you take on. Many people have turned freelancing into a full-time, six-figure career. Number 7 is publishing your own ebooks. If you enjoy writing, this could be your golden ticket. Thanks to platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP, anyone can become a published author. You can write fiction or nonfiction. Think about a topic you know a lot about or a story you've always wanted to tell. You write the book, format it, create a cover, and upload it to Amazon. They handle the sales, the payment processing, and the delivery to the customer's Kindle device. You earn a royalty on every single sale. Just like an online course, you do the work once, and the book can continue to sell for years to come, generating passive income while you sleep. Our 8th way to make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. As more businesses operate online, the demand for VAs is skyrocketing. A virtual assistant provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Tasks can range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling social media accounts, customer service, and bookkeeping. It's similar to freelancing, but often involves a longer-term relationship with a client. You can find VA jobs on the same freelancing platforms we mentioned earlier or through specialized VA job boards. It's a flexible and in-demand role that allows you to work from anywhere. Number 9 is stock photography and videography. Are you always taking pictures or videos with your phone or camera? You can turn that hobby into a source of income. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 allow you to upload your photos and video clips. When a business, marketer, or creator downloads your content for their project, you get paid a royalty. High-quality, authentic-looking images and videos are always in demand. Think about everyday life, business settings, nature, and technology. You upload your content once, and it can be downloaded thousands of times, earning you passive income for years from a single photo or video clip. Finally, our 10th legitimate way to make money online is through podcasting. Similar to a YouTube channel or blog, a podcast allows you to build an audience around a specific topic you're passionate about. With just a decent microphone and free editing software, you can start your own show. As your listener base grows, you can monetize through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own products, or accepting donations from your loyal fans through platforms like Patreon. Podcasting creates a very intimate connection with your audience, and a dedicated following can lead to significant income opportunities. So there you have it, 10 proven and legitimate ways to start making money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career change, there's an option on this list for you. Which one of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Thank you so much for tuning into Smart Wealth Academy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos about building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Until next time, keep learning and keep earning.